Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Jana Eats, the gluten and casein-free website. Food for all, that's my motto, food for all. Thank you for joining me today. I'm gonna make another version of an egg-free mayonnaise, and this one takes a cup of soaked pine nuts. So I soak these overnight, I drain them well, and I rinse them too. After I drain them, I kind of rinsed off some of the residual shmoo. And it'll take a half of a lemon, the juice of half of a lemon. This is a little tall for me. Half a lemon, 2 cloves of garlic. Smash those. Here's 1 clove, and I don't mince them too much. I'm gonna let the Vitamix do the work for me. In this recipe, I'm using my Vitamix. When you've got a little less content, like the base of the Vitamix is smaller than the BlendTec, and I'm hoping this will really blend nicely and easily. It's gonna be a tablespoon of vinegar. I'm using, I just have this citrus champagne vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, you can use rice vinegar. Don't use balsamic vinegar, it's too heavy. You'll need a light vinegar. So apple cider, rice, that'll work. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of avocado oil, just because it's good for you. And it'll also, I think, help emulsify this mix. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of Dijon. I'm almost at the bottom, so it's been upside down in my fridge. There you go. Nice sound effect. Ooh, went right in. And then we're gonna put a little pinch of salt. Boop. And I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of water into my blender, and we're gonna go to town. So wish me luck. Oh yeah. Love me a Vitamix, baby. Go get yourself one. It took me so long to get one, and why? You'll use it forever and for everything. Oh yeah. Let me scrape down the sides of this to get all the Dijoniness. Is that a word, Dijani? Oh, I think I'll name my kid Dijani. Pop-Tart. Strawberry shortcake, what? Okay. Okay. Let's see. It's really creamy. It's delicious. It's got a nice tang. This is a winner. Just to show you how creamy. Look at that. Really nice. So, a beautiful little sandwich spread. Go make some. Really good.